Mahagauri, the eighth Navadurga. Durgashtami is the most auspicious day for the followers of Mother cult. Durga as Mahagauri has incarnated on the Chaitra Shukla Ashtami. Sri Ragna is the presiding Shakti of Shukla Ashtami according to the Kashmir tradition. The tradition has got its source in the 12th Adhyaya of the Durga Shaptashti, as Durga Devi is also the Vaishnavi character. Hence, Zunapach Ertham, the Shukla fortnight Ashtami, is being observed as the day of Sri Ragna. Mahagauri. Mahagauri is the eighth incarnation of Durga. Her body complexion is extremely fair. She is revered as Giri Nandini, Giriraj Tanya, the daughter of King Himavan of the Himalayas. After the incarnation of Kali of the black hue, she becomes extremely fair due her tapasya. Shiva addresses her Gauri and Brahma addresses her as Mahagauri. Mahagauri is the Sri Ragna Bhagavati of Kashmir. She is also revered as Sri Lalita of South, beyond the Vindhya range of mountains. She is revered as the Vaishnav Devi at Jammu. She is Kamakshi at Assam. She is revered as Bhavatarini. The experience of man speaks the origination is possible with the union of Purusha and Prakriti principle. The idea is that Shiva and Shakti are identical and also equal, but may be viewed differently by humans who see that Dvait, the dualism, is in nature. Mahagauri is Shiva Shakti, Ekarupini. We adore Durga in the Matrika Pujan in the Kashmir tradition, and this is the Divishti Shir Puja. She is the mother who destroys the pain. She is therefore adored as the Dukkha Hantri. She is the Dosha Varjita who puts the end to the evil deeds. She is Durlabha who is difficult to approach or receive. She is also not easily accessible as she is Durgama. She is Dushta Samharini as she kills all the demons, Rakshasas and evils like Mahishasura. She is Jagat Mata, the mother of universe. Her Dhyana mantra, according to Kashmir tradition, is Chaturbhujam Chandra Kalardashekharam Simhasanastham Bhujagopavitinam Pasham Kusham Bhujarha Khargadarinim Raganim Bhaje Chetasi Rajadhyayanim. Durga is the mother of all, what we perceive and what actually exists. It is but the Ichha Shakti, the willpower of Durga. Durga is Bu, global consciousness, Bhua, eternal consciousness, Swaha, the divine consciousness. Durga is Turiya, transcendent, and Turiyatita, beyond transcendent. Durga literally means what cannot be approached. I suggest that Durga must be approached through unconditional submission without having the slightest of ego. She needs to be worshipped with purity of mind, the purity of speech, and the purity of action. Names of Durga. There are 108 names of Durga in the Durga Ashtottara Shatanama. Namastrotam, taken from the Vishwasara Tantra. 32 names of Durga as revered as Durga Dvatrisham Namamala, where 32 attributes of Durga Devi are invoked with the word Dur. The name of the Sri Chandi is the Durga Shaptashati, which gives credence to the name Durga. Full description of the Durga is in the composition of 700 shlokas. Durga Devi is adored in the Sri Devi Atharvashrisham, the Vedic hymn. She is Gyan Rupini in the Shabda, divine word Om. Durga is revered as Matrika Devi, the mother of Varnamala, phonemes. Durga is Chinmayatita. She is consciousness and beyond that. She is Shunya, void, and witness to the Shunya void. Saisha Durgam Prakrita. Such has been realized by the Atharvan Rishi of Atharveda in the Vedic injunction. Om.